What is going on? So this is the first recording that I got for you guys. I'm way down here in the corner if you can't see me, but there I am. So anyhow, so this is the book that we sent home to you. It covers our first 3 units, which are Prime Time, Comparing Bits and Pieces, and Let's Be Rational. You have the math book, so if you'd like to take a look at that, that might be beneficial to you. If you have any questions or anything like that, the math book would give you several different ways that you can find out more information or even have more explanation if I said something maybe that you don't understand. All right, so again, this is the book we're going to be using. The nice thing about this is when you open it up, you have areas where you can write different, you have all your vocabulary. It has partner questions, which is what we're going to be talking about. There are a few games. This game happens to be one of the fun ones, but you can kind of flip through if you want to take a look. About every 4 to 5 days, we'll have a quiz, and that's how we're going to get our math grade. So you can see this is lesson 1-1, investigation 1-1. So it's unit 1, investigation 1-1. And then after that, we go to 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, and that's a long one. And then we can see that we're at investigation 2.1. So at that point, if you see this coming up, if it's the last lesson in there, then you know that a quiz is going to be coming up after that last lesson. So just be prepared for that. All right, so this is the book that we're supposed to use, and it's going to follow along with us. And so as we open up, it has a bunch of information at the beginning, blah, 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 blah. Let me back this up. Okay, so the reason that we use the other book is I just take a moment and notice the page number down here in the bottom. And watch how many page 7s or, so, right, you get up here, and right, it's a decent amount of pages, and now look, it's page 17. And we go a little further, it's page 97, 103, 109, 121, and look, it is back. So what happened, what they did was, in this book, they included about 6 different math books, and we as math teachers in the district decided that giving you guys 7 or 6 different math books was too much work. So rather than do that, we gave you one math book that has everything in it. So as you're going through, you can look here, right? So this is what we're doing first. We're doing 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 1-4. And then here's ACE. And what ACE is, our ACE problems are called, the A stands for applied, the C is connected, and the E is extension. So if you need more practice, you would go to page 17 here. Okay, and by the way, all the lessons that are in this book are in this book, so you can see them both. All right, now we get to the ACE problems. So this is where you can come and get some extra work. I may assign a few of these throughout the year, but typically I don't need to do that because you guys, there's enough questions in the book. But if you did need more problems, more questions, more work, this is a place you go. And so it always starts with the ACEs, which are the applications, and then it goes connections and extensions. This book is kind of messed up. Maybe yours is. I don't know. And you can see from the applications, there's 33. And then we get to 34 where the connections start. And then the extensions start. So this would just be for lesson 1-1 through 1-4. And then we start with 2. And it goes on and on and on. And that's how the book is designed. So if you have any questions or need extra work, there you go. You can go through the lessons in here in the book if you want to see, pretty pictures. Basically, everything in here is in this book that you guys all have, so do not lose this. All right. Okay, so let's take a look how this is designed. So we're starting with Prime Time. We open it up, and boom, we're right here. So the focus question, this is what we should be able to do, or this is the question that we're learning about. So focus question, how can you find all the factors or the divisors of a number? We have 3 vocabulary words that we're going to respond to. We have a visual example. If we need to draw a visual example, it's there. This particular one starts with a game. It's actually pretty fun. When we get into it, we'll talk about it. And they have some partner questions after playing the game. And I'll go through this in my lesson and explain it very detailed. We turn the page, and then they have some questions. And so you're going to write this in here. Once you watch my video and you respond to these questions, from 11 to 12, you're going to watch my video. And then from 12 to 1, I'm going to go through all these questions. I'm basically going to reteach it and give you more to think about and help you with any questions that you have. So that's kind of the way that the math program goes. So again, you can see composite prime. There's a factor game. We go through different scenarios and procedures. You'll have a video just like this one that will help explain everything you're doing. And you have to answer questions. What is the best first move? Most of your answers should be in bullets. They should not be complete. Okay, so anyways, that is the math program, and we're going to start pushing those videos out shortly, and we'll start doing math together. So hope you like it.